Hey, this will be a video chart on LBSR. I know I've done this one in the past, don't remember the last time, but had some requests coming for it yesterday, but just couldn't quite get to it. But here we are today, want to get it updated because the chart made a good move yesterday and it's holding on to those gains. It was red today, but that's kind of relative to how you look at it. If you look at it from where it opened on the day, then yes, it was red. But if you look at it from where it closed yesterday, it did still manage to finish green. But actually, I don't care about either of those circumstances. There's one circumstance that I do care about, and that did go in the favor of the bulls, and I'll get to that in a few minutes here. But just real quick, kind of a recap. The price, made these big moves back earlier in the fall time, where it became real popular, and then basically drifted down and finally found some support down in this area. And then yesterday had a nice volume surge, and as you can see, biggest volume it's had in quite a while since back here in mid-October. But more importantly, with the volume, the price did react to it. And then the other key facet was this purple line here is the 50-day simple moving average, which is a key level of resistance, and you can see that the price was able right there to close above it. So that was a very good sign of strength by the bulls. And entering into today, because I saw this chart yesterday with the requests, and I thought, I'll see this one, or I'll watch this one today and see if this level can hold here. And not only did it hold, it held perfectly, meaning the price did come down here, and look right there where that candle hit, bounced right off of it. So far so good. This 50-day simple moving average has held as support, and in an ideal situation, that's the level that you're going to want to see continued to hold strong. Now, the 50-day is definitely the preferable level of support that you would like to see, but if it doesn't, you still have another level, and that's going to be right here at basically 50% of this breakout candle, and that's based on some of these highs, but that level is right here at 0.047. So if the 50-day can hold, not the end of the world, because you still do have this support down here, and then you also have your shorter term moving averages right there, that blue line and red line, the 10-day and 20-day simple moving averages, that would provide support also. But if the 50-day can hold, then you'd really want to see this 0.047 level hold. Now, on the flip side of things, the resistance levels, I think the easiest way to go about this is just to draw up a resistance zone, because we have this area back here where it was a support, and this level is right here at basically 6 cents. So you can see it was a support here when the price broke through it. Price tried to come back up here and get through it, couldn't quite do it. So this is going to be the top portion of our resistance zone. Just going to leave that line skinny since I'm creating a zone here. And then the lower portion is going to be based off of these points here. You can see that a couple times now the price has bounced off this level here at 0.055. So between 0.055 and 0.06 is what I am making my zone of resistance. And as you can see, today the price did gap up into it, but it was a red day relative to this, so it's nothing to panic about. It all goes back to as long as these support levels hold, then everything's good. And the other nice thing about today was, yes, it was a red day, but check out that volume. So it was a pullback day, but volume was much less than the breakout day. So with any sort of continued sideways or pullback action, as long as volume remains small like this, then no worries. But if the price does decide to surge back upwards, the higher the volume, the better on any day like that. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody, and it is all free. So I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, give it a try. We've been making some good money together with our alerts, so it's worth at least signing up. One more time, this was LBSR. Thanks for listening.